Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a cluster for your Ark Survival Ascended servers using HaruHost. As you can see, I have two freshly installed servers. First we go to the edit page, then we select file config, and then we select command line arguments. Now I have already prepared an existing config and it's really easy because it can be reused for other game servers. So I will just open up this file. Okay, failed. And I will just copy the configuration for the first game server and paste it in. So basically what it does, it sets a cluster directory. It goes back from the game server directory and creates a cluster arksa directory. And then we also have the cluster ID, which should be the same for both servers. And that's it. Now I will do the same for the other game server and select ArkAscended1. Open up the command line arguments, copy this, paste it in, press save. This text will be available in both Discord and in the YouTube description. We are actually almost done, but if I click game servers, we can see that both have the same name. And if that happens, you won't be able to see the cluster server. So for one of the servers, we should rename it. And I will be renaming this one since it's scorched earth. So go to base config and I will set the name to 2. Press save. All right. Okay, and we are actually finished. Let's start the game servers. Alright, so now that both game servers have started, I just want to add one important step. You must make sure that all the ports are different for both game servers. So as you can see here is the port 778, here is the port 2721, and if we go down here, it's the port 77, and yeah, whatever. And just to make sure you know how to do that, you go to file config, command line arguments, and here you can see the port value and the RCON value. All right, and now that that is cleared up, let's connect to the game server. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll here, press the copy button, and start Ark. Okay, now that Ark has started, what I will do, I will press the tilde button to open up the console, and I will write open and then press Ctrl V. And this will connect to the server that I copied its address earlier. So I will press enter. All right, and let's create a character. Press create, select, spawn. Holy f, you can't be serious. For real? Okay, so now that we are connected to the game server, I want to become an admin, and I will just press copy here. And now I will just press the tilde button again and write enable cheats, Ctrl V, and then cheat fly. Yeah. So I pressed the F key instead of E, but it still worked, and we can now press travel to another server. And now we can see that the Iceland cluster is being shown. We can press join. Yeah, and it looks like it worked, so that's nice. That thing looks like an alien. We might have a case where we have a server is imported, and if the server is imported, the configuration won't work. I will demonstrate you how to fix that. So first I will import an Ark server. I will select Ark Survival Ascended, press the import button. It seems I need to scroll down, so I will say imported server also, press the import button, and it will be random directory, imported Ark server, and now I will press the select folder, and we got the game server imported. So we will need to adjust the configuration as well. I will press edit, file config, command line arguments, and just open up the previous file. Now I pasted this in. We need to make sure the ports are different. So this will be 7779 and this will be 2. And now this directory won't work because we're using a relative path. So what I'm going to do is to open up the location where HaruHost.exe exists. Alright, so this is my HaruHost data there, and I will just open up the HaruHost data, clusters, arksa, and then press here, then copy this, paste this in, press save, and now we will just start the game server. Now in the meantime I will become an admin in this server, and I will do the cheat fly. Oh, there is also one thing that I forgot to do. It was to change the name. So let's just stop the server, go to edit, base config, and I will say 3. Okay, and now let's start the game server again. Okay, now that this game server has finished loading, we will connect to this cluster. So I will select Travel to another server, and now we can see both game servers. So I'll press join here. And yeah, that's it. Now we are on our 3rd cluster server. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and interesting flickering. Bye.